Hello friends, welcome to today's video, whichever day it is that I post this one. It's new mold week. I got some new molds for Mother's Day from my wonderful housemate, so I'm going to try this one today. I'm really excited to try it. It is a tree, as you can see, and what's special about the tree is that it has little or it's going to have holes in the tree at certain spots. Let me see if I can show you guys. So these little pegs right here, and those are there so that you can hang pictures. And so you pour the tree, you pour the base, and you pour these for the pictures. Now, I don't know whether you're supposed to put the pictures in beforehand or afterhand. I'm not quite sure about that. I also don't have any pictures to put into this, so I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna do. I may just grab some random cardstock that I have and try and cut some things out and see how that goes. I'm not sure, but it also did come with gold jump rings, but of course if you prefer silver or whatever, you can always just use your regular old jump rings. You know, you don't need these specialized ones. But that being said, I'm going to give this a shot. I'm kind of curious to see how it's going to look once it's done. I'm going to attempt to not pour this very thick, just because this is not a very big space for the base, and I don't want to over pour the tree so that it does not fit into the base. I'm going to go with black for the tree and the base. Not really sure what I'm going to do with the picture side yet. That will be a hurdle for future Meghan, and by future Meghan I mean within the next 2 seconds of turning off the camera. I gotta figure it out. So that's the plan. Let's go ahead and get it started, and I hope that you all enjoy the video. Okay? Let's try this. It's bonus unmolding time. Yeah. Bonus unmolding. So just like last week, I have quite a few of these, ow, these little pink pyramids. I got some extra resin that I just cut my finger on, so that's wonderful. Okay, so let's just get these out. Okay. I mean, they're very pretty. But like I said, I just wanted to use up all of the extra resin that I had, because I mixed up too much for that one project. This one is always the hardest to get out. There we go. Oh, that one's got pretty good sized bubble in the tip, which is pretty normal for me because I was pouring in a hurry. Okay, let's do the baby. The baby pyramid. So they're very cute. They're very pretty. I do need to trim off this excess resin because that was pretty sharp. But anyway, that is today's bonus unmolding. Hi friends, so these are cured. To be honest with you, I was not going to pour these yet because I didn't really find anything that I wanted to put into them. But then I thought, you know what, Megan, it's part of the package, and people who may be interested in getting this mold want to see what they look like. So I did just pour it in black. I poured it off screen because, well, for one thing, there was no room for me to do it with everything else on the table. But also, it was like a last minute, yeah, let's go ahead and do it. But anyway, so with that said, I'm going to start with the base. And we'll see how that came out. Looks good. Okay. And then let's do this tree. So I will be finishing this off with white alcohol ink. To kind of accent all of those little divots, I guess, or whatever you call them, impressions that are in it. If you do decide to get this mold, just be aware that a lot of bubbles will arise in the tips of the leaves. I'm already seeing quite a few bubbles, so maybe next time that I pour this, I'm going to spray it with alcohol ink first to try and help mitigate the bubbles. But there you go. Very pretty. It's going to look even better with the white. And I want to see, does it fit? It does. It's a little wibbly wobbly just because I didn't pour this to its full width. You know, as I explained, I didn't want it to be too thick that it won't fit. But you can, obviously, you can add some extra resin in here. Even UV resin would probably help it to stay up. If you lift it up, it does fall through. So I would honestly, I would recommend, yeah, adding something to the bottom of this or gluing it in somehow. So yeah, so there's that, and then let's go ahead and unmold these. Like I said, they're just plain black, nothing special about them. Yeah, next time I do this, I'm definitely going to have to spray the mold with some alcohol because getting lots of bubbles, which also just, you know, might be the fact that I was rushing pretty good because I didn't want the resin to set up too quickly. So here's what these look like. How I would do these, if I wanted to put pictures into them, is I would pour a very thin layer of clear down, add my picture, And I do have a couple of videos on adding pictures and stuff to resin, so I'll link those in the iCard. And then I would go in with the rest of the whatever color you want for the backer. That's how I would do that, just because, I mean, this doesn't exactly, it's not a divot inside, it's just a line around it. So yeah, I don't know, it's a very, very cute mold. I like it a lot. I love the tree. I think the tree is fantastic. So with that said, I am going to finish this off, like I said, with white acrylic paint. I wanted to show you guys. So bubbles are pretty prominent in this. But yeah, as you can see on the back, I didn't have any bubbles. I managed to get them all as they were rising, so that was good. But anywho, that is today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. It really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new and you want to stick around, click the red subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. Thank you all so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.